guys, so today I'm gonna review Mike from the movie Legend of the Lost Treasure. So I haven't taken this guy out of the box yet because I'm waiting until I get till I find some tracks so I can do a whole YouTube series about it. Maybe I should do a YouTube series called The Life of Mike. So he's definitely so detailed. It even kind of reminds me of the older model. Where, it says Arsdale. In fact, I bet they just took this out of the older model. But the newer model is astounding. It's not as good as the older model with the 3 wheels. And the red wheels are kind of nice too. Nothing special. Nothing special underneath. It says Mike. Mike's tender. As you can see, Mike is one of those characters from the Railway series. From the Railway series books, who appeared a couple months ago in Legend of the Lost Treasure. He hasn't been in any other shows, like before the Legend of the Lost Treasure. And they also brought back Bert and Rex. So guys, if you like this, it says something. So obviously there's a design of Mike, created by Britt Allcroft. Nice. And obviously I have a lot of stuff going on with this guy. They even have the older model too. They even have the little thing that goes up. I obviously used the same design from the older model. See, look. Doop. Now, my personal opinion on this toy is, it's nice. It really is. And this is actually my favorite engine because he doesn't really appear in any. Well, he does appear in some episodes, but not a lot. In the Thomas series, the Thomas TV show. So yeah. Alright. But you want to know what I think they should add? The huge boat that Thomas found in the ground. So if you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Charles out.